Welcome everyone, Jeremy from JGW here. We're about to do a bit of a walk around on our Lugong 915 FCR, which is a 15-tonne excavator. F is the series and CR is for closed radius, which essentially is no counterweight hanging out over the rear. So as we come around, we look at this easy access. This lets us into our cooling pack. We've got an isolator here for electrical isolation, can be locked out. We're running Donaldson Power Core air cleaners, so that is the best in the industry. Keeping that engine clean, minimal service intervals on that air cleaner, very, very efficient. We'll keep walking around. Camera on the rear is standard. Also camera on the right hand side. As we open the pump housing, we're running 𝗘𝘀𝗆𝗏 hydraulics, so the best in the industry. Tandem pump. We've also got individual pump for our swing, so a lot of power in the swing of this machine. Fuel filters are easy accessible. Lube filter is there. Dipstick for the engine, so your daily maintenance is all from the ground. Engine controller is up out of the road, so it's not in the contaminants. So good, accessible, easy access to daily maintenance. If we keep coming around, this is access to our hydraulic valve assembly. So 𝗘𝘀𝗆𝗏 as well. All the valves, this is industry leader. The 𝗘𝘀𝗆𝗏 is one of the smoothest valve applications you will ever operate. Everything is quite accessible. Hoses are either Yokohama or Continental, so we're running extremely good quality hoses. So good access to upstairs, 3 points of contact. And as we come up, we'll notice fuel tank. So easy access to get to that. Is a poly fuel tank, so you're not risking rust or contaminants as you would out of a steel one. Hydraulic reservoir is here. You do have your pressure relief valve, easy access. Gearbox for your swing box is there with your oil checkpoint. And then the engine top access is just there. Oil fill point, radiator, but you do have a recovery bottle from down below. You don't need to get up to check any of that. LED lights, retractable beacons, so for transport we can get this quite low. This has got the guard on the roof. It also got a guard also on the front. There is a further guard available for the windscreen if you're into demolition or anything that is in forestry. Okay. Grease points. Common grease points are here, so you can access most of your boom grease points in one position. All these hoses are very well insulated. They're not going to rub and fatigue. Okay, looking at the boom, LED lights on the boom, heavy duty mounts for your lift cylinders. There is actually a cast insert into that. And as we come further back on the boom, your pivot points are also cast. So extremely strong in that region. Hoses are all steel braided. These will be running Continental hoses on the boom. We do have auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. So auxiliary 2 would be for, say, a rotator, 1 would be for a thumb or any other third application you'd need. We do have an option for a hydraulic hitch. This machine hasn't got one, but you can get a hydraulic hitch. But as you'll see, very heavy duty H bracket, and the thumb's quite heavy duty. Options with buckets. It's got a 40-inch bucket on it at the moment, a standard Lugong bucket with replaceable cutting teeth, replaceable cutting edges. Also wear strips on the back, so a good robust bucket. If we come over to the blade, very heavy duty blade, RHS box section, dual cylinders. The blade is pushed forward It's for good visibility from the cab and the ability to get the bucket up and actually assist to load that bucket. So let's have a look in the cab where it all happens. Okay, so here's a view of inside the cab. If we have a look right in armrest, push button start, all our auxiliary controls as soft key touchpad, hand throttle. This is a little toggle to allow us to work through our screen. Lights, quick release, easy access, USB in. This screen will power up in a second, give you a look at it. So good wide foot pedals for forward and reverse. We do have some window shades, front, back, also on the sides. Very, very good air conditioning package. Stereos included. The ability to slide this back, a little bit more visibility if you're doing some high work. Okay, starting this machine up is just a push button start. You've got options to select your controls, and then that is a touch screen. So that's your bird's eye view with your cameras, gauges, and then if we need to access the other menus, this is our access through here. We also have our air conditioner, which is climate control, running through here, turning that on. So good accessible cab, a lot of room, extend the legs out, be a good cab to spend the day in. Air conditioner works extremely well, great visibility.